Hello everyone, welcome to Fluent English with Fozia, your new place to learn real, practical, and confident English. I'm Fozia, and I will guide you step by step to speak English fluently, no matter where you are in the world. Are you tired of translating everything from your native language into English? Do you want to speak naturally and confidently in daily life, school, work, or travel? Then you are in the right place. In this channel, I will make English simple, fun, and easy to remember. Here's what you can expect: daily use English sentences, real-life conversations, vocabulary lessons with examples, tips to speak confidently without fear, and much more, all explained in simple and easy steps. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to never miss a lesson. Let's start your journey to fluent English together. Thank you for joining me today. I can't wait to see you in our next video, where we'll learn 20 daily English sentences you can use everywhere. See you soon, and keep learning with confidence.